What's up guys, I'm Chris Godber from GQ37. Welcome to my channel. So if any of you by chance listen to smooth jazz, whether it be on Sirius XM radio or Pandora, iHeartRadio, or any other facet of smooth jazz, some of you may know me as a saxophonist. When I'm not playing the saxophone, I'm a respiratory therapist, helping people breathe a little easier. And I guess if you combine the two, I'm a sax therapist. So what is GQ37? Well, let me start by telling you what it's not. I'm not some 19-year-old trying to get a bunch of views so I can get my GTR or what have you. I'm married with kids and I have multiple careers that take a lot of my time, so YouTube is not one of them. I'm not a professional YouTuber, as you're probably starting to find out. I really don't care to get famous on YouTube. I'm not making money on any of these videos. This is just a hobby, absolutely a hobby. I've always been into cars. I love cars and everything car related. I've detailed cars on the side for years, and it's just always been a part of who I am. So working on cars and tinkering with my car is just what I do, and my current platform is the G37S, and I figure while I'm doing things to the car, I would bring you guys along for the ride and maybe make some simple how-to videos or different things as I'm doing things to the car in hopes to help somebody out there, whether inspire you with some of your build. But sometimes it's just easier to see somebody else do it before you break into your taking off your grill or whatever it is. So hopefully this helps somebody out there. If so, please click like, subscribe so you can see more of this content. I'll see you in the next video.